Here's how to connect your WooCommerce store to Claude using InsightfulPipe MCP. In InsightfulPipe, go to Connectors and click Add Connection. From the available platforms, find and select WooCommerce. The WooCommerce connector needs your store URL, consumer key, and consumer secret from the REST API. Head to your WooCommerce admin and copy the store URL from the address bar. Paste the URL into the connector form. Now navigate to WooCommerce Settings, then Advanced, and click REST API. Click Create an API key. Name it InsightfulPipe and set permissions to read and write. Generate the key. Copy the consumer key and consumer secret. Back in InsightfulPipe, paste the consumer key and consumer secret into the form. With all credentials filled, click Test and Connect. The connection is successful. You'll see the MCP server guide with setup instructions for different clients. Copy the MCP server URL. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the WooCommerce MCP server URL, name it WooCommerce, and click Add. Start a new chat with Claude. Ask Claude to generate a comprehensive WooCommerce performance report. Include total orders, revenue, top products, top categories, revenue by region, daily sales trends, and actionable recommendations. Claude uses the WooCommerce MCP integration to query your store and discover available data endpoints. It authenticates with your store and begins pulling sales reports, orders, products, and categories. Claude is pulling comprehensive data from your WooCommerce store, including sales analytics and customer information. And here's the result: a full 10-page performance report as a downloadable presentation. It covers key metrics, product rankings, revenue by region, and daily sales trends. The report includes strategic recommendations to improve conversion and grow revenue. That's WooCommerce connected to Claude with InsightfulPipe. Head to InsightfulPipe.com to explore over 20 MCP servers and connect all your platforms to AI in minutes.